Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make easy perfect sponge cake without oven and a cake mixer. So if you don't have an oven or a cake mixer, continue watching as I'll be showing you how to come up with this yummy cake. So the first thing is to sift your flour. Add baking powder, powdered preservative, and sift into the flour. Add grated nutmeg and powdered milk flavor and mix everything together, then set aside. The next is to break in the eggs into a plate. And whisk until light and foamy. Continue to whisk until light and foamy. So after whisking your egg, you set aside, then add margarine or butter into a bowl, then mix the margarine until light. Add sugar and continue to mix until white. So like I said, we didn't use cake mixer, so this is another option if you don't have a cake mixer. All right, so as you guys can see, it's white and creamy. Add any flavor of choice, then mix. The next is to add the whisk egg and mix. Add the flour little at a time and mix till well incorporated. So like I said, you continue to add the flour little at a time until you exhaust your flour. And continue to mix to have a creamy batter. So after that, you'll be greasing your cake pan with margarine and also flour the cake pan. This is to avoid the cake sticking. Then add the batter into the cake pan. So the next process is to bake our cake. It's time to bake our cake. I'm using a pot, then my gas cooker stand to place my cake pan. Make sure you cover the pot with a tight lid. Alright, so I'm using a stove to bake. So if you don't have an oven, you can use a pot and a stove. So this is it. Our cake is done. Almost done. So to confirm if it's done, dip in a knife or a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it means the cake is done. Alright, isn't this yummy? So for the recipe measurements, check my blog. I'll be leaving the link to my blog in the description box, so you go check out the recipe measurements and don't forget to try out this recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright guys, see you. Bye.